Yimadoomarung, Yamadoomarung. G'day, are you well? My name is Sebastian Honeyman and I am a member of the Aboriginal Representative Council, and today I'd like to acknowledge the Wiradjuri people who are the traditional custodians of the land. I'd also like to pay respect to the elders both past and present of the Wiradjuri Nation and extend that respect to other Aboriginal Australians who are present.
Remembrance Day is an important day in Australia and across the world. At 11 a.m. on the 11th of November 1918, fighting in the First World War came to an end. Over 100 years later, we pause for a minute of silence at 11 a.m. on Wednesday the 11th of November 2020 to remember the service and sacrifice of our veterans. Almost 62,000 Australians died fighting for our freedom and service of our nation.
On the 11th of November at 11 a.m. in 1918, the guns fell silent in World War I. To that point in our history, there had never been a bigger global conflict than this. In World War I, millions and millions of people died, soldiers and civilians, and it was, for many families, a catastrophic and devastating period of time. For Australia, close to 400,000 soldiers enlisted to fight, which was about 10% of our population. And it's fair to say that there would not be one family who, at that time in Australia's history, who was not impacted by World War I. So today is a chance for us to stop and reflect, remember those who served, not only in this conflict, but in all conflicts, and acknowledge their sacrifice, which has allowed us to live the lifestyle that we want in freedom.
They shall grow not old, as we that are left to grow old.
Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn.
At the going down of the sun and in the morning, we will remember them. we forget.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are young and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil, our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's song, beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains then let us sing, advance Australia fair.